And here, you can see some light. This is Zeus's castle, Mount Olympian. And here, this is caution tape. Only the very specialist can come into Zeus's castle. Now, it's very bright. Not many can see into it. Only the very special ones. It's very hard for me, but I can see it. It's very hard. I can't see.
Oh!
And that was very interesting. We saw a wild raccoon. It's a fluffy but really big animal. I don't know how to describe it. I need more description words in my vocabulary. It's soft and it's like brownish black, and it walks. That you don't see that very often, and yeah, that is a once in a lifetime kind of shot you'll see. Okay, over here we have nature. It's green, as you can tell. It's very fascinating. There's not much more to say about it. It's green.
Really? That's all you can say about the nature is that it's green?
Yes.
Excellent.
This one is a fan favorite plant. It's also green.
Ooh.
It's a different shade.
Plant that's also green. Tell us more.
It uses sunlight to grow.
Oh, fantastic. Wow, this is wonderful.
See, now if you want to walk with me, over here, this is a tree. It's a brown tree. It's very unordinary. You see, it's brown with specks of green, and where you can see everything else is green. Now, how do you think this works? Why are trees that are plants not also green? It's the world mystery! Next up, we have this family of pine cones. Be sure not to step on. They are I have no idea what to say.
Wow, you don't see pine cones like that in their natural habitat very often. That is rare. Wouldn't you say, Kylie?
Yeah. Here, you can see the sun. It's very bright, but indeed, it is actually really small in person. But with magical space little particles, it makes it seem big and ginormous and bright. It's a rainbow.
Keep talking, the video's going.
Here, if you look at this tree, it shows some, wait for it, resemblance of a spiky mohawk. And this spiky mohawk is because, trees actually do like to do their hair too. See, this is one hairstyle. Many trees like to have one of those bob, like Michael Bublé, or who's that painter? No, not Elvis Presley.
And cut.
In order to get close to the deer, you have to act like a deer, as shown. I tried with it. It started to get pokey.
Run. In front of me. No, you gotta go in front of me. The video's going.
I'm not running.
Go.
No.
Run. Run.